Hi, welcome to Raja Vikramaditya's channel. In this video, we will learn ABCD through flipbook. A for apple, A for apple. B for ball, B for ball. C for cat, C for cat. D for dog, D for dog. E for elephant, E for elephant. F for fish, F for fish. G for grapes, G for grapes. H for hen, H for hen. I for igloo, I for igloo. J for jug, J for jug. K for kite, K for kite. L for lion, L for lion. M for mango, M for mango. N for nest, N for nest. O for orange, O for orange. P for parrot, P for parrot. Q for queen, Q for queen. R for rat, R for rat. S for sun, S for sun. T for tiger, T for tiger. U for umbrella, U for umbrella. V for van, V for van. W for watch, W for watch. X for jabak, X for jabak. Y for egg, Y for egg. Z for zebra, Z for zebra. Thanks for watching my channel, Raja Vikramaditya's.